everyone, I am Liana with Music Academy International Inc. and welcome to my channel. So I'm very excited to introduce to you an entire series of 10 videos that there will follow. Today is number 1 about chords and arpeggios. So if you are confused how to play and why this, you came on the right channel. Alright, so I'm gonna read how they're gonna be the next 10 series, and if you are interested in just one or so, just go to number 2 or number 3. Anyhow, number 1, starting right now, major chords and arpeggios, root position white keys. Number 2, minor chords and arpeggios, root position white keys. Number 3, inversions chords and arpeggios, major chords, white keys. Number 4, inversion chords and arpeggio, minor chords, white keys. Number 5, it's how to play chords. Very important because we all get stiff in this, so we don't like that. Number 6, extended position on major, extended position on the chords and arpeggios, how to practice on the white keys, obviously. Number 7, extended position, minor arpeggio, how to practice, and inversions, of course, right? Number 8, understanding the theory behind the major and minor chords. I will talk about minor third or major thirds. And then number 9, I'm calling long arpeggio, this one, major chords and inversions, right? And then number 10, long arpeggios, minor chords and inversions, an example of all of them. As I said before, this series, it's for late beginners and intermediate. It's for adults, and it's especially very good for self-taught or for those that they would like to review the theory behind it and really practice on it. When this series will be complete, it will be posted as an entire course on Teachable on my channel. Check the playlist. We do have the scale, all the scales, major and minors, with all the modes, natural, harmonic, melodic, how to play it 1 octave, 2 octaves, and in split motion. We do have the Hanon, the patterns, and how to practice, an entire series of 14 videos over there. We do have, those would be the fingers exercise. We have Journey to 99 and 599, and many tutorials for beginners and intermediate and advanced. So make sure you check that. There are over 260 videos on this channel. This will become huge channel. Little announcement, right now we are in May, end of May 2022 when I'm recording this. For the months of June and July, I'm having a special promotion for new students. For 4 classes, will be only like $125. It's a tryout summer offer. So if you're interested, you will find my email below. And not at least, thank you so much for my Patreon friends and supporters, that they love me, and I could not do all of this without your financial support. So definitely, if you are interested of becoming one, check the link below. I'm doing their live Q&A and or master classes once a month. Alright, so let's get started with part number 1, major chords on white keys. How to play them, which one are them? We're gonna have C major, D major, E, F, G, A, and B. 7, all 7, right? What is a chord? You play 3 notes on the same time, and that's what it is, a chord. Actually, it is a triad. We can call it a triad because there are 3 notes played on the same time. What's an arpeggio? It's a broken chord. That means you play exactly the same notes in one after the other one by one, note one by one. Okay, so let's go. C major, right? C major, I hope everybody knows it by now, but I'm still gonna do it. It's C, E, and G, right? That would be your big C major, right? C, E, and G, left hand, memorize it fast, which one is which and how to play them. I'm gonna tell you the first big secret, first big tip. C, F, and G, they're all white keys. So you just need to move your hand from C to F and to G, and voila, you do have C major, F major, and G major, right? So, another little, I forgot to say, another little detail, the name of the chord, it's given by the bass, by the lower note, okay? So when it's C, this is gonna be a C chord. When you do have 2/3 followed, right? If you have another chord like C, F, and A, that's not gonna be a C chord. So keep that in mind for further references when I'm gonna go into the inversions and explaining to you what are the inversions. But for the time being, when you do have a note, D or E or whatever, right? And it's followed by 2 skips, D, F, A, E, G, B, F, A, C, is going to be the name of the chord is given by the bottom note that you are playing it, right? So again, C chord and F chord, F, A, C as an arpeggio, white keys, right? And G chord, that's going to be G major chord. Today we're talking about major chords. G, B, B, right? These are white keys. Easy as that, right? So right now we're going to go to D, E, A. It remains, the remaining notes, it would be D, E, A. So D, E, and A, they will have the middle finger, right? The finger number 3, it will go on the black key, alright? So D is gonna be D, F sharp, A, alright? D, F sharp, A. Same thing, you're gonna go one whole step higher, E, G sharp, B. Alright? That's gonna be the E chord, okay? E, G sharp, B, and then F, we said it's the white keys, G are the white keys as well, A is gonna be A, C sharp, E. So same position, alright, as D, E, and A, right? So recap, what did you learn today? C, F, and G, you just place your thumb on C, F, and G, and you just play white keys on it. Very easy, very easy. You don't need to think anything else, right? White keys, C, F, and G, right? D, E, and A, they will have the finger number 3 on the black key, all right? So let's go. C, D, black key in the middle. E, G sharp, B, G sharp in the middle. F, white keys. G, white keys. A, alright. And now we're getting to the B. The B's a little, I would say, crooked, just a little bit, right? We do have 2 keys here. B, D sharp, and F sharp. They're gonna be black keys, right? Okay. So what did we got by now? A chord is 3 keys placed on the same time, alright? An arpeggio is playing one by one, the key one after the other one, individually, right? And we got C, F, and G, white keys, D, E, A, we have the middle, the finger number 3 in on the black key, and B has 2 sharps, B, D sharp, F sharp. This is what you got by now. Right now, I'm gonna give you a couple of exercises for you to practice this until you get to the minors, okay? Our first exercise, it will be just arpeggio. You go C, left hand, right hand and top, like waves with the pedal on. C, E, G, C, E, G, C, G, E, C, G, E, C. Nothing complicated, right? Then you go to D. D, F, A, D, F, A, D, F, A, A, F, D, A, F, D, right? E. F, F, C, F, A, C, do. G. Don't make it complicated. A. And B. Easy? Extra bonus! If you want to have even more fun, you play them 4 times. Left hand goes, I'm going to go from here. C, 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 C. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Right now I'm playing it in different orders. So right now I'm going to play the F. F. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Top, back. Right hand goes over. C, A, F, C, A, F. G, G, B, D, G, B, D, G, B, D, G, B, D. Backwards. Right? So you just practice that over and over and create just nicely waves with the left and the right hand, right? And then you can go to the one with the black key in between. D, 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 D. Find the keys. A, F, D, A, F, D, A, F, D. Obviously F sharp, right? E, G sharp, E, E, G sharp, E, E. Yes. Right? And A. Fine. And now B. Okay. On this one, considering that depends if you have small hands, I'll go 1, 3, 5. If you have, relatively bigger hands, you can do 1, 4 right hand and left hand 1, 3, 2. If you are coordinating well. So you can do this. Or 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. How about that? Did you like it? So I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. I told you they're gonna be short ones. Please leave your comments into the, down below. And let's go to the next one with the minors. But do practice this one for at least 2-3 days until it's really stuck in your brain exactly, which key to press, okay? And learn them. Eventually, if you are even a beginners, I would say out loud the name of the key so you will not be blind playing the F and you don't know, what it is. So you gotta say it. F, A, C, F, A, C, C, A, F. So go backwards. That is really important to go backwards. C, A, F, and say the name out loud so you will memorize exactly what notes are in the chord as well, right? So thank you so much and see you in the next one. Click the link, the next one that are the minors one, and don't go to the minors until you don't know this one, okay? Thank you.